Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlet, a Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got an unbagging from the company GBFKE, and I just want to say thank you to them for sending this to me to share with all of you. Now they are doing a sale right now, and I'm just going to pull everything out of here. But I am going to say I was a little disappointed because when I got this package, it was folded just like that. Now, when I opened it to see where this had come from, you can see I've got one here. I've got a box. It is smashed up. And then there's one other canvas in here, and this is what it looked like. So this is a little disappointing, although this is poured glue. I can straighten this out, but yeah, so we're just gonna go with this one first because I want to see how bad the crease is. So I would say instead of folding that over, because you know that this was a longer canvas, they should have left it. Because if they had just set it in here like so, they still could have folded it over, but just part way. So I don't know, and maybe this one should have been in a box. I don't know. But anyway, we're going to look at this one first, because like I said, I'm sure that I can fix this, so I'm not going to cry about it yet. It's going to depend on what it looks like. Alright, so this one is a 50 by 50. There is the canvas number. So we are going to unroll it. It is a standard toolkit, which is just your standard green boat, a square of wax, and a single placer pink pen. Alright, so I am going to fold this back, and let's see if the canvas itself is like a, well, feels like a canvas. I have got a hole in the canvas. Hopefully that's not going to be a big deal. We shall see. Alright, so it is quite wrinkly, but what I do, because most of the time when I have a canvas, I normally stick this in a portfolio. I usually stick them in a portfolio that has got others in it, and it will help flatten them out because of the weight. So I'm going to take a little bit of time here to do this. I usually do all of this off camera, because I know y'all don't want to see all that. But with this being so badly creased and wrinkled, and there being a slight hole in the canvas, let's just look and see if I can at least get it to where I can still be able to do it. Because I really like this image. Yeah, I'll have to put it in my portfolio, but like I said, I do that to all my canvases, not just something that looks like this. I do it to all canvases, even my partials, because it just gets all them wrinkles out. You can leave it in your portfolio under the weight of all the others, and within a week it'll be flat. Okay, so see, the hoe is right there. You can see that it's right there in that symbol, but I mean, it's just a little tiny hole. So I can, once you put, it's still got sticky on it, so once you put the drill on there, it's not going to show. You're not going to know unless you look on the back. But still, then again, you can just put a little piece of tape right there, because that's the only place that I see that is damaged. So yeah, I would say that maybe they need to put these larger ones in boxes. So after I get off the video, I'll take my straightener and I'll do even some more. But anyway, this is called Lakeside Cottage. It is a 50 by 50, and this was $10.17. And there are 22 colors. It's 1 through 8, and then letters. It does have the DMCs listed, but it's really clear. It's going to be extremely pretty. And I would have to say this would be what my dream home was. Yep. Just out in the middle of nowhere. Porch swing. Yeah. I love this. Now, I'm not going to pull these out because they're in the little bitty bags. But you can see that we've got yellows, reds, some pinks, blues, white, greens, orange. I mean, they're kind of, there's some bright colors in there, but the majority of it is kind of dull looking, but in a good way. Not in a bad way, but in a good way. It's like a good afternoon canvas. But I do love that they've got these little rugs on here, and you've got a throw and your pillows. I love this. I thought it was gorgeous. So again, this is called Lakeside Cottage, and this is on GBFKE's website. Now we'll go ahead and we'll look at this one in the box. So I'm just gonna flip this over. Alright, so we're gonna open this one. Now they are having a sale. It is a buy 3 get 1 free sale, and they have tons of canvases. Might have to pull it out of this end. So that's kind of what it's going to look like, where this is all smashed. Alright. So that's what it's not bad. I mean, again, they're poured glue, so they can be flattened. Now, I will say that even though the package, we all know what happens during shipping, and the companies, once it leaves their warehouse, they have no control over what happens in shipping. I understand that, but they do have control before it leaves. So, like I said, maybe they should have stuck that in the bag and then, you know, maybe not folded it over as far to where it didn't bend the end of that. But again, it's fixable. So this was the other one that I chose. This is a 40 by 60. There's the canvas number. But I thought this was really pretty. This is just called Butterfly and Hydrangeas. I love hydrangea bushes. I actually have one in my yard. The one I have is more of a blue. It was planted in my yard before I moved here, so I just wish the blooms would stay longer than they do. But I do, and I love the colors in this. Of course, that's what I gravitate towards, is the purples and the blues and the pinks and all of that. Alright, so I thought this was really pretty. This has got 40 colors in it. And it does have the DMCs listed. We have got 1 through 8. Then you have got the letters and then some symbols. And if you wanted to add fairy dust or ABs to these, you could very well do that. Because the hydrangeas would look really, really pretty with some ABs or some fairy dust. You could even add some to the butterfly. That would be pretty where the white part is, with some white fairy dust or white ABs. Very pretty. So again, this is called Butterfly and Hydrangeas. This is a 40 by 60. And it was $13.60. And look at all these gorgeous colors. Very, very pretty. That was so sparkly right then in the light that I thought it was an AB, but it's not. But yeah, but you can put your own in there. Very pretty. Very pretty colors. Standard toolkit with this also. Alright, so the last canvas that I got from GBFKE was this one, and I just thought it was cute. It is a 30 by 40. Again, standard toolkit. These are actually already bagged up. Poured glue, and these are all round drills. So this one is just called Garden Skulls. That's what it's called in the listing. And this one was $5.59. 25 colors. DMC's listed. Very super clear. Yeah. This is going to be really cute. But I just thought it was funny. I thought it was cute because I wouldn't consider myself having much of a green thumb. Some things I can grow, some things I cannot. But that's what this kind of put me in mind of, is somebody who, you know, tried to make a garden, but they just, yeah, don't have a very good green thumb. You can see they've got a can right here. Looks like a plant right here because there's a pot. Bunch of flowers and the birds. But I thought this was so cute. I really did. And again, it is pre-bagged. Now, this, you can see there is absolutely nothing on this bag. So what I do this with all bags. I will take and I will write GBFKE. This is a 30 by 40, and I will put the canvas number on here, and then I will write the name of the canvas. So because I put my drills in a separate tote, a big plastic tote. I have got a tote for 30 by 30s. I've got a tote for partial crystals. I've got a tote for 30 by 40s. I've got a tote for 40 by 40s, 50 by 50s, on. So I will throw this in the 30 by 40s tote. And then when I go to do this one, all I got to do is look in my tote, find the SKU number, and, you know, garden skulls. And honestly, on the back, I'll do the same thing. I'll write GBFKE, and then I'll write garden skulls on here. Because, I mean, it's already got the 30 by 40 listed, and it's already got the item number listed. So that's how I do it. But if I kept these all together, you know, the drills and the canvases together, I wouldn't probably go through all of that. But yeah. So that is all that I have for you today. And again, this is GBFKE. And I do appreciate them sending these to me to share with all of y'all. Very pretty. I really do like these. And again, I will have these listed in my description box for y'all to check out. Also, if I have a discount code with this company, it will be listed in the description box also. That way you can go and you can get a discount on whatever you want to purchase. And remember, right now it's buy 3 get 1 free. So, you know, all of these 3 put together, I think was like $25, because I think that's the credit that I have with them is $25. So you could spend $25 on 3 canvases and then get a free one. So yeah. So all right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment. Let me know which one you thought was your favorite. And, you know, whatever, if you just want to say hi. And until my next video, y'all, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.